Just let me know if something starts catching on fire.
Alright. That shit caught on fire. Fuck, I was like, holy shit. Yo, what's up guys? So first off, I was gonna say I'm thinking about maybe putting out a new vlog every Monday, try and get on a schedule like that, and if you guys are lucky, maybe you'll get another one on Wednesday or Friday, but from now on I'm gonna at least try and get something out on Monday for you guys. So today we're gonna weld in my hydro e-brake at Fili's pad, since my little $20 fix from the last video I posted was big thumbs down. So that's what we're gonna do today. Woo! Starts right up like a dream. Let's go head out of Fili's. Alright, pulling up. Get this body started. We're about to cut this piece right here. Try and use that as a little support bracket to weld that in, and then we'll be able to bolt that hydro to there. Shout out to FiliDrifts.
I'm gonna fuck shit up right here. Just like this, I welded this corner, and then I did that bracket.
Okay.
Fucking plate.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm trying to see if we use the 4 bolts or if we can just use one and kind of turn it to the side of it. Yeah.
Yeah, because when I was pulling it, I kept pulling it towards me, but like, because it was facing like straight back.
That's why it kind of
yeah.
off, huh?
Okay. Yeah, that would be better.
Okay.
I was all proud. I was like, oh hell yeah, dude! I spent $20. Doing a sick little video on it. Like, also let you guys know how it goes. First run, I was like, oh, I don't trust this shit.
Done. Just if anybody asks who welded it, say you don't know, you know? Say it was you. That's just gonna look like shit. Fuck it.
Is it really gonna look that shitty?
I think so. I don't know. Never welded without gas. I was welding it diff and I noticed like it started to look ugly, but I had barely finished it. I'm gonna do like a thin layer right there, and then the bottom I'll just weld the fuck out of it. It's still gonna work, and then when we get the gas up,
okay. Fix it. Oh, we're gonna try and weld this thing on right here. Fili's out of gas, so we don't know how well it's gonna come out. But I need to go drifting tomorrow at Adams, so. Those privacy stuff didn't work out, or you just...
No, that shit fucking came up.
I was gonna say.
I'm gonna buy a fucking turbo. I think I had to use like some zip ties probably to hold them down or something.
Fuck it.
use a say like a 3. This is all fucked up. Can you put the my hand down?
Did I do good?
Kind of. Just let me know if something starts catching on fire.
Alright. You got the fire extinguisher right there though. You have a fucking oily rag?
Oh yeah.
That shit caught on fire. Fuck, I was like, holy shit.
Use a glove.
Fucking guy. Took off from Fili's pad, got the hydro welded in there a little bit more securely. I'll show you guys a close-up later, but looks pretty a lot more sturdy now, so I'm not really concerned with it popping out or anything. But tomorrow will be the test at Adams. It locks. It locks. So back home, got the shift console back on. Wish I didn't cut around right there. I probably could have just cut off that edge on this side now that the e-brake sits a little higher. But basically welded onto a square thingy post, welded to a plate down to the trans tunnel, and on that side welded across there. So let's see if I can hold this. Feels really good now. Not like before where I thought it felt good. Now it actually feels good. So now I'm not too concerned about it moving. So I did test it out a little, give it a little yank, put a washer in it too so this doesn't wobble as much. Shout out to Fili for letting me come through and helping me out with this. I really appreciate it. You guys don't follow his YouTube channel, you probably should. But till next time, guys. Peace.